Welcome back. Let's continue then with our focus on our main story. You know, tonight President Cyril Ramaphosa finally addressed the nation on the issue of illegal migration. He outlined a number of steps that his government or the GNU government will take in order to finally address this issue. Democratic Alliance spokesperson Jan de Villiers joins us now for more. Thanks, Jan, for your time tonight. I suppose you were also listening to what the president had said. Are you satisfied with some of the measures that he says the government will put in place to deal with the issue of illegal migration in South Africa?
Yes, thank you very much, and good evening to yourself and to the viewers at home. Yes, indeed, the DA welcomes President Cyril Ramaphosa's address to the nation this evening. And his clear message that South Africa's economic struggles are not caused by foreign nationals, but by the failure to grow the economy and create millions of jobs. This is the right message at a very dangerous moment in our country. You know, South Africans must reject xenophobia. We must uphold our constitutional values, and we mustn't allow anger over hardship to become violence against vulnerable people. So yes, indeed, the DA will support every lawful effort in the GNU to restore order, to secure our borders, and to fix the broken systems that have allowed the illegal migration to become a source of fear and frustration. And, you know, especially the work being done by Minister Leon Schreiber at Home Affairs, who wants to strengthen a lawful immigration control, improve documentation and secure the border, and it must be welcomed.
But Jan, it's not that the president does not concede, though, that illegal migration is an issue. It's not that he's not conceding. He does concede that illegal migration is a problem, right? But he says we shouldn't, as South Africans, point all our problems to illegal migration. But he does concede, though, that this issue must be dealt with and that, yes, South Africans are asking difficult questions and these questions are legitimate.
Yes, 100%. They are legitimate. But I think we must be, you know, honest with ourselves. And this is also what the president says, that there's a deeper problem, and that is that there's a crisis in our country, and that crisis really is jobs and economic growth and a capable state. You know, and that's why the DA supports that the GNU must move faster to implement economic reforms needed to attract investment, unlock opportunity. You know, we must cut red tape in the state, fix infrastructure. We must create the environment in which millions of South Africans can find work, so that deep anger, you know, is subdued. And we really believe that anyone who incites violence against foreign nationals, including political leaders, must be arrested and prosecuted. And every South African must abide by the Constitution we share. The rule of law must be held. People must be in South Africa legally, and the law must be enforced by the state, not by mobs or vigilantes or politicians who stoke hatred for votes.
All right, Jan de Villiers, he's the spokesperson for the Democratic Alliance. Thank you so much for your time.